Hello, my name is Heleno Fagundes. I work at Teletex, a big integrator of Gigamon in Brazil. We have been working with a lot of big companies in Brazil to provide high technology. We work with observability, security, data center, connectivity. We have been partnered with Gigamon about 3 to 4 years, and it has been successful in our strategy. Teletex and Gigamon are working together to bring differentiated solutions for our customers to solve real business problems. Our customers are facing the problems in cloud visibility because cloud is a closed platform provided by big providers, as Azure, AWS, Google, and most of them see problems to see what happened inside of that, what happened between the users and the systems and the servers and the workloads in cloud. And this kind of information sometimes is hard to get. Then most of them are getting problems into visibility, deep visibility in cloud, and we work together with them to provide visibility and improve security in cloud. Most of them are using GigaVUE because we can see, we can open what happened inside under the hood, we say, we can see what happened between applications, between users and applications. We can open what happened, and we can make we can create a context inside the traffic. We can see the traffic and we see the apps. We can see what's happening in this environment. AI is changing the way we work. It's changing the way we make security, the way we get visibility, because it's too fast. It comes from the user. It's inside our life. It's in our devices, in our mobile devices, and how can secure that? How can provide deep visibility on that? We have to answer that with technology, and most of our customers are asking for solutions that can provide security and visibility inside AI, and we are working Teletex and Gigamon to help to provide this to them. Better together means for us to work together with a partner as Gigamon to bring Teletex plus Gigamon a better solution for our customers. Okay, we can eliminate blind spots. We can get the right metadata to the right tool, and we can avoid or see lateral movement in your network, and that helps to get more visibility, to have more security, and bring better business outcomes.